So what are highlight covers? Highlight covers are little icons or images you see on top of someone's Instagram profile. When you view people's profile now on Instagram, you will see all these small designs below their profile. All these my bio on Instagram. So those are the those are the highlight covers, and those covers represent their stories highlight. Normally Instagram stories disappears after 24 hours. So but if you add them to a highlight on Instagram, they stay permanently. Like now you post something on your story, but you want that's something that you posted to last for more than 24 hours, or to be permanent on your Instagram profile, that whenever anybody comes they will see it there. That is the reason why you can add it to the highlight. That is the purpose of highlights. So if you add it to your highlights on Instagram, it will stay permanently. It's not going anywhere. So about the cover, that highlight cover that we are talking about again, they are just small images that serves as the thumbnail. They are the first thing that people will see, that when they click on that thing, it will now bring everything that it needs to bring to show them, for them to see on your profile. I hope we are getting my point. So for example, now if you are the type that deals in physical products, maybe bags or shoes or clothes and stuff like that, you can have highlight covers like new arrival, about the brand, meet me, behind the scenes, reviews, and so on. So though you can have as many as possible highlight covers on your profile, and each of them serves different purpose. About me now, when people click on that thumbnail, like that cover that you write about me on, it will show them everything they need to know about the brand owner. If it is behind the scene, you would have had all these behind the scenes videos to that highlight, that when they click on the cover, it will show them all those things. And same with reviews. If you have the customer reviews, you can screenshot and add to the highlights. Then you have the cover as reviews. So now to design those kind of covers, that is what we are doing now. Designing how to design highlight covers. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Pixel Lab and tap on it. So when it opens, you come to the side here, these three dots at the right hand side up here. You tap on it, then you go to this image size. So the size we'll be using for our highlight covers is 1280 by 1920. This is the size of highlight covers. So you tap on OK. So this is it. Then the next is to delete this new text on the screen. So after that, you go here to change this side here to give your background a color. So you tap on it to bring color, then you tap on the color here. So like for my brand now, I'll be using this cream and blue. So you tap on the cream, that's my color. Then to tap on the mark icon here. So the next thing is to tap here to bring in your shape. So you tap on it, then you go to shapes and tap on it. So it will bring these. Then you tap up here to bring the rest on the shape. The shape we are using here is the circle. So you tap on the circle, it brings you here. You need to reduce the size of that circle. Just make it smaller than the normal size that you it shows, it brings in. So now the next is to tap on the mark icon here. So the next thing to do with our circle is to give it color. You come here to give it color, you enable the color, then you give it one of your brand color to, like the color you want it to be. Then you tap on the mark icon here. So the next thing here is to come here to centralize this circle. Where it is now, it is not centralized. So you come to this relative position. That is what it is used for. So to centralize maybe your text or your shapes or anything. So you tap on the relative position, then you tap on these two icons here. So then you tap, that is it, and then here, as you can see, so it is now perfectly centralized. So the next is to tap on this mark icon. So now the next thing here is to write. You can use text and you can use icons. Here I'll be using the text first. Like now, what I want to do here is to type about me. Like I want people to know about me on my Instagram profile. So about me is what I'll be doing first here. So now I've tap on the text icon and it shows me here. So I go to edit, then I clear this and type about me. So then I okay it here. So I will use my hand to drag that about me to the center here and give the text color. So you come to the color here and give it this color, the color that will be visible, that will show on that circle. So that is what you give it. Then the next is to tap on this mark icon. So the next thing is to give my text font. I'll be giving it a font here. Then come to font here. This is the font here. This is the font here. So tap on the font. Then I'll be going for Poppins semi-bold. So then I okay it. I've tapped on the Poppins semi-bold and then I okayed it here. So the next thing that I'll be doing here is to centralize my about me to the text. Is to centralize it. So I'll come back to this relative position. And tap on it. So when I click on those two icons, then I marked it. So we are basically done here. We are done with the Instagram highlights cover. If you want to leave it like this, it is okay. But then I used to add this what's it called here, like a watermark. Yes, like my brand name to the highlights cover, and I will advise you to do the same. Add your brand name to the highlights covers you are designing. So next thing I will do to add my brand name, I will just tap on the text here and copy. You see, I've already tapped on the text here. I've tapped on the text here. Then the next thing is to come to copy here. So I will copy. It's already shown here, up here. It has shown here. Okay, sorry about that. It has shown here. So then the next thing is to go to edit. So then I clear it and add my brand name plus designs. So and then I hook it. So you can see that even dragging the thing, it is in frame color, and when you place it on the frame color, it's not going to show. So I'll be changing the color now to that blue, the color of my brand name to the blue. So I come to color and I tap on the blue here. So I mark it here. So to make it smaller, I will need to come here. So you can't leave it here as big as it is here. It is not looking professional. So you come to the circle, the small circle here, to drag it in to become smaller. As you can see, you can use this, or you come to the size here. You can also come to the size below here to reduce the size. As you can see, you can increase it and you can decrease it. So I think I'm going for 15. Yes, the size should be in 15. So I mark it here. So that is all. You can place it around anywhere you want. Maybe maybe in the middle or below here. So I'll be putting it here like this. So I'll be putting it here like this. So that is that with highlight color. So you know this is the text format. So if you want to use the icon format, you come here to the middle icon here, tap on it and import your icon from your gallery. You know you've already downloaded the icon from Instagram, maybe the about me icon or the about the brand icon or the reviews icon. So I think I downloaded the reviews icon. So let's import our icon. So you tap on import here, import, then it takes you to your gallery, then to search for everything that you need to import here. So you just need to go to album, then to pins. Maybe you downloaded it from Pinterest. So this is pins. So that's pins represents these pins represent Pinterest. So you tap on it, then it brings you here. Okay, the about me here is here. So this is it. This is about me. So you tap on this female icon. So you crop it and then you mark it down here. You know this mark icon represents okay. Yes, then you tap on it, so we bring it here. So you need to reduce the size, drag it in. So the next thing is to, it has the icon has white background, so we'll be removing the white background. So to do that, you go to erase color. So this is the erase color here, erase color. Then you tap on it, you enable it, and it has already cleared all your white. Then you can now come to tolerance to increase it to like 30, so that all the white particles that remains in the background can clear totally. Then you tap on the mark icon here. So the next is to, black is not part of my brand color. I use just two colors for my brand, blue and cream. So I'll be changing this black to cream, since I'll be placing it here. I'll be placing it in the middle here. So I will change it to cream so that it can show. So I will go to color here, then I enable it, and then I change the color. The color has already changed, so I drag it in to reduce the size. So I'll bring it to the middle here. So to be sure if it is properly centralized, I will come to this relative position again, click on the two middle icons here. So and then I OK it. So you see, that is the about me design. So you can as well add this about me below to, about me, that the text that I remove, that I bring down here. You can as well add it to your design too. So if you want both design and both the text and the icon to be on your design, on your cover, then you can do it. So now you just need to reduce the size of that text, and then you can bring this icon down a bit. So to do that, you come to position here. You come to position here. So you tap on it, then you use this icon. This icon is used if you want to move the this one. Oh, sorry about that. This icon here, if you want to move anything, maybe the text or the icon on your or the shape, if you want to move it to the left hand side, you use this icon. So this one, if you want to move it to the right hand side, you use this. So if you want to move it up, you use this, and if you want to move it down, you use this. So that is that about that. So the icon now, I will need to bring it down a little. So let's just see, as I'm tapping on the down icon here, it is bringing it down. Then you OK it. So you tap on the about me now, and you go back to the text here. The text here, since we are dealing with the text, so I want to work on the about me that I typed. So I go to the text icon here, then I centralize the about me too. So this relative position again, but this time around, since we don't want the about me to be in the middle, we don't want it to be in the middle as the icon, we just be tapping on this. We'll just be tapping on this here, this only, not the two anymore, just this up one only. Then you do that, so it is centralized like that. Then you can actually leave it like this. So to save it, you come here. So you want to download it to your gallery so that you can be able to use it. Then you come here, you tap on it, then save as project, save as image. If you save as project, you can always go back to it to edit anything you want to edit. But if you want to save it as image, then you tap on save as image. Then you come here, you leave this one as JPG, no transparency. Then you come to this costume, you tap on it, then you tap on this ultra. We'll be using the ultra when saving. So and then save to gallery. So we are done with our highlight cover. So the same thing with maybe reviews. If it is reviews that you want to put here, just go to your gallery to import the icon. Or if it is text that you want to use, then you can just type the reviews only, then leave it and centralize it, and then you export it to your gallery. And if it is the icon you want to use, then you come to the your gallery, and then you tap on the reviews icon here, you crop it, then you OK it. Here you come here to reduce the size. It is too big. As you can see, it is already covering our screen. So once you do that, you come to erase color here, you enable it, and the white background disappears. So you come to the tolerance here and increase it to like about 30. for all the remaining white particles to disappear. Then you tap on OK. Then you give it a color here. Come to color, enable it, and you give it this color. Then you use your hand to drag it. Since we are done with the the about me icon, and we've already saved it, then you can delete it. You tap on the one you want to delete, then you delete it. The about me too, you can leave it so that when you want to type in the reviews too, it will be of the same size. So this is our reviews. You bring it inside the circle, then you centralize it. Come to the relative position and centralize it like that. So if you want to leave it like this, just the icon, then you can leave it here like this. Then you go to save as image and export. But if you are adding the text, like I said earlier, like I did earlier on the about me, then you can bring this icon down a little so that the space can contain both the text and the icon. So the about me now, you tap on it and you go to the text icon, you tap on edit and you clear this, then type in the reviews here, then you OK it. So once you do that, you come to the relative position here and tap on this icon up here. So only, so it will bring it to the middle like that. Then you OK it and leave it like that. So you can actually bring it down a little. For doing that, you come to position here. So you drag it. You use this icon here. Sorry. This icon here. To drag it down a little. So move it down a little. Then that is OK. Then to export it, you come up here, save as image. So like we did earlier, the ultra, the JPG, then you save to gallery. So to see your design, you need to go to your gallery and then find it where it has been saved. So for me now, it's here on Pixellab. So this is it, this and this. So you can then use it like that. You go to your Instagram and upload it, and then it will be permanent on your Instagram profile, so that when people see it and they click on it, like now let me show you how mine is. So on Instagram, this is it.